In this video, you're gonna make a phone using Blender in just 60 seconds. And the best part of this video is that you can download and use this asset for free right now, using the links in the description below. You are gonna need Blender, so if you don't have it already, go and download it. It's free and open source. So let's create the phone using Blender. Open a new Blender file, delete everything, create a cube mesh, and scale it to the proper size of a phone. Then click the top face, and inset it just a bit to create the area for the screen. Flip over to the back and create a new cylinder mesh, and we will start designing the cameras. We will duplicate the cylinder mesh, select the bottom faces, inset it, and extrude it outwards to create visible lenses. Now we will click the bottom part of the phone, and inset and extrude inwards to create the charging port. Then we will create a new cube mesh that we will scale down to be used to make the power and volume buttons. Now we can create the materials, one for the color of the phone, which will be yellow, one for the screen, cameras, and buttons, which will be black. And congratulations, you've created a phone using Blender in less than 60 seconds. Remember that you can download this phone asset for free right now, using the links below. And 99.9% of you are not subscribed to the channel. So if you enjoyed the video, be sure to like and subscribe. I put a lot of time and effort into these videos, and seeing all of your positive feedback is pretty motivating. Let me know what I should make next by commenting down below, and check out some of the games I've made. Your feedback will help me make them better. Thanks for watching, and see ya.